Here's a pair of the On Groove earbuds. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. Okay, you want to do a factory reset, you have kind of issues pairing or connecting, or maybe one side's not working, or one side's volume is lower than the other, and so on. Okay, but we're talking about this model here. Okay, we're not talking about these or this one. Okay, we're doing simply this one here. So to factory reset these is very simple, okay? If you look on the bottom here, you have that little white button, okay? So this is what I want to do. I want to open this up, and now what I want to do is press and hold this bottom button here and press and hold until I see a red light on here, here, and over here, okay? So we'll do it together. So here's the button here, ready, set, go. Press and hold. Now keep holding. Keep holding. Wait till you see 3 red lights or 3 amber lights. Still holding, just wait. Wait, there it is. Now let go. Okay, now it's performing the factory reset, and once it's done, it's going to be back in the pairing mode. You'll notice in pairing mode when it's blinking white rapidly like this. So now it's in pairing mode. So we just factory reset these. Okay, now the thing is, before I did the factory reset, I was connected to my Android phone here. So if I want to connect back to this Android phone here, what I have to do is go to the settings, go to Bluetooth settings. So I'll go to Bluetooth here, and remember before I was connected to it, okay? So now if I want to connect back to the same phone, I have to click over here, and what I have to do is unpair. If you're on an iPhone, it's forget this device, okay? So I'm going to unpair it, unpair, and now let me just rescan it here, and now it should show back up here. There it is right there, and these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking white rapidly. You can see right there, and now I can connect back to my Android phone. And we're back up. There you go.